Hello, this is Firas, and today our lesson about sheet metal and how we'll use it in Solidworks. It will take few hours in this course, but it will be easy for us. We do step by step. First, we select a new document, part, after we have the same here window, we try to search for sheet. We don't have it here up. We have here two ways to install it. The easy way is click in the mouse, right click, and you see it. This I think is the 5 from up to down. You can click and you will have it here. Or we'll use the customer's way. That will be easy too. You click here up, customization, you go to commands and you will see it here. You can click and drop whenever you want it, up or down or here. If you notice, if we want to put it here, you see the X mark. That means you cannot put it here. Only the plus mark, that means it's available to you to put it there. I think we won't use it because we have it already. We say escape. We select the top plant with base plan, and we use center rectangle. We put it in the center. This symbol mean it's 0 0. That means we have it in the middle. And now we will go to smart dimension. $200 and here 150. And after that we say exit. After we open base flank, if you see we have here question mark or help, you can click it and it will open this. You can read it easy, I think. It's like more information. If you want to see more information, you can always have this guidebook to use it. Always is available. And now we'll close it. We'll start to explain everything here. We'll start from up. Using tabella, I think we don't use it because we always work in millimeter, not in inch. That means we don't use it. And now we will go to parameters. Now sheet material parameter is the thin between here and this line and this line. Like we try like 5, and you see it's go bigger. We stay with 2, and here you can change the direction from up to down or from down to up. Now bend allowance, I will explain the difference between all the bends, but not now. Today we will use only K factor, and the K factor is take a number between 0 to 1, and auto relief will speak about it later too. Now we see OK. We click OK. Now we have our first sheet. This looks awesome. And now we will build another sheets on it. And if we see on the tree, we have base flank, was her drawing to sketch, and now we'll use as the second command, it's called edge flank. In the flank parameters, we only need to select this line or any lines like this and this and this too and this. If you see, we have here the 4 edge we have select before. We can change the grad to, like I think we'll put 20. We'll put 100. Now we have pyramid. We'll delete this, or we delete it all. We select this and this too. And now we have the angel. I will change it again. And now this. The flanks We must know the difference between this and this and this. The first one is the out height from up to down, and the second is from inside, and the first one is from this, from the circle. Tangential, we take it. I think it will be easy if I draw it and explain what's mean. We will say okay, because if we choose from different, we will have a different height. Not all will be 100. It will be different. This will be more than 100, I think, and this will be less than 100, and this will be 100, maybe more. And now we will say okay, and now we will draw something. I think in this fish we will do from something. We will put this. I think I cannot take this with this. I think we'll go out. Now we'll change this. I will take this. No. What I forget? Yeah, I think I forget to put the yep, here. I think you will put the bend radius. It will be appear here between this and this. We'll put it 2 because I want to explain the difference between these 3 millimeter. And we say okay. Yeah, now we have it. Now we will continue to our skits. And we will back to our drawing. So this was this tangent. um, and we will choose this line with this. Now we have we'll put it vertical. If you notice this line with this line is here is 90 degree, and here too is 90 degree. We'll say okay. Now if you remember, we put this 100. Now we'll use Smart D. We'll put from this to this. Say okay. Now we have this with this again. Okay. And now the last one. This was this surface or this line. It's like this. So okay. And now we will go back to here. We must go out from drawing. Yep. Now we go out and we will show this. And we need to show this. I think I need to take build. Now we'll go back. What we have changed it. Now for our first option, this, if we select this, it means that the height from this line to this point or dot, it's 103.46. This means this line with this line, they connect with one punct or dot, and this dot with this surface is the high. But the second one is from inside, because if you notice, we have this line is the outside and this line the inside. If we do same, if we draw line from here and from this line, we have one dot, and this dot with the up line is the inside high, and the third one is this with the circle, the tangent, and is the 100. I think this is different between the three commands. The first one, if we repeat it again, the first one is the outside line. This the outside line, we mean this, and the inside is the second option we have, is this. It means this height from inside, from there. If we draw line from here and to here, we have one dot. It will be there, and that's what we mean the inside. And the three option, the last option is this. It's the tangential with the circle with the upline. That's the difference between the three lines. And now I think we will continue. This, let's close it. We say OK. And we go back to our commands. I think I must go out from the drawing. And now we change it. And now the position of we close. The first one is from inside, what we have, and the third one is from the outside, And the fourth one is the bend. It will be from outside to, oh, wait, this. This means that it will continue from this side, from this to outside. It will be like full shape. And this was a point. That means we have 5 positions. The first one, it will be draw from here. The second one, it will be draw, if we change the position, it will be draw from here to here, to this surface. And the third one, it will be from here, from the outside. And I think this too, we don't need to use it. Then we will stick with this one and say OK. And now we have our wonderful shape.